Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to unbox and review two cabin air filters, the Elofic EK2502 which is used for Maruti Suzuki Swift and Swift Dzire. The other one is Elofic EK2507 which is a cabin air filter for Maruti Suzuki Ciaz and Brezza. But before we start unboxing, let's first understand what's a cabin air filter. You might be aware by now that your vehicle's engine has an air filter. But did you know that your car's HVAC system, also known as heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, may also have one, commonly called as cabin air filter. It performs the same duties for your HVAC system as your engine air filter does for your car's engine. That is, it catches dust, pollen and other airborne material that can make your car riding unpleasant, particularly when you have allergies or respiratory problems. Let's quickly check out the contents of this EK2502. This is used in Swift and Swift Desire's cabin for keeping out the dust, pollen and other airborne materials from entering your car's HVAC system. The construction of this filter is very simple and it is made out of multi-fiber engineered paper. And it is fairly easy to install this air filter. You just need to access the slot inside your dash and put this filter in. So Elofic has already mentioned the upside and the airflow direction, so you can easily install it in its housing. Elofic uses a very high quality material for the filter's media to provide efficient and effective filtration of air entering the cabin, ensuring that no allergens, bacteria or even exhaust gases enter through the air vents. This helps in keeping the air that we breathe inside the cabin clean. The pleating throughout the filter is consistent, which helps in uniform distribution of filter media, helping capture more pollen, dust, mold spores, smoke, soot and also prevents bugs, leaves and other debris from clogging up the HVAC system. If in case you smell foul odor inside your car's cabin, it might be due to a spoiled cabin air filter. You need to replace the air filter immediately, and if you choose a spurious filter, then you might end up replacing the filter frequently. This happens because of the low quality filter media used. On the other hand, Elofic uses a very high quality filter media which is then tested rigorously. Now let's quickly unbox the other cabin air filter, that is the EK2507, which is used in the cabins of Maruti Suzuki Ciaz and Brezza. As you can easily understand, both the filters are similar. The construction is same. The same high quality filter material is used in both of them. The only change that you can see is that the size of this filter is bigger than that of the EK2502. And just like the Elofic EK2502, this one can also be installed very easily. All you need to do is open your dash, access the housing of the cabin air filter, remove the old one and install the new one. And on this one as well, you get to see the markings of up and the airflow so that you can easily install it in your car. Elofic has used the same high quality filter media in this filter as well to help prevent contaminants enter the car's cabin. The pleating of the filter is uniform to help capture maximum pollutant and dust particles. This helps in keeping the air inside the cabin clean. Because these filters are made keeping in mind the industrial standards and are quality checked, which helps in increasing the life of these filters in comparison to the spurious filter which do not abide by the industrial standards and are many times not even QC passed. It might feel that cabin air filters is not that big of a deal, but it is, because if your cabin air filter is not functioning properly or is clogged, it might lead to reduced fuel efficiency and increase the strain on your engine. This happens because when you set a temperature inside your car cabin, the HVAC system heats up or cools down the air inside the cabin, and if your cabin air filter is clogged, your HVAC system will have to work harder to maintain the temperature inside the car, which will in turn increase the strain on the engine, increasing your fuel consumption, which reduces your fuel efficiency. I hope this video was helpful for you. We'll be back with such interesting content. Until then, stay tuned to our channel and make the right decision. Choose Elofic.